Kick it.
I would like to love you in the morning. You would like to love me in the night. Both of us would love you in the afternoon. Also in the evening. Like to have this feeling in the morning. You would like to feel me in the night. Sometimes we just feel it in the afternoon. Also in the evening, it's alright. My king of love, and I wanna be your queen. My king of love, Joey, I'm allergic to the king of love. You took me to a magic land. You took me by the hand to Wonderland.
Here in this case, we have a pretty woman. Unfortunately, with an unsolvable problem. The man from above is an endless attraction. It causes her body's erotic reaction. Yeah.
I would like to hold you